In today's video, I'm going to teach you to fix Midjourney failed to process your Command C. If you're seeing that message, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you get back to generating images quickly and reliably. First, start with a clean restart of your Discord client. Close Discord completely, not just the window. On desktop, look in your system tray or menu bar and make sure the Discord icon isn't still running. If it is, quit it from there so the app fully shuts down. Then reopen Discord fresh. This clears minor glitches, refreshes your session, and often resolves temporary command issues that can cause Midjourney to reject or fail to process what you send. Next, check Midjourney's official announcements. Open the Midjourney server and look for their latest posts about maintenance, outages, or degraded performance. If they're running updates or experiencing high load, the error may be on their end, and your best move is simply to wait until they confirm things are back to normal. Reading the latest announcement can save you time and prevent unnecessary troubleshooting. Then verify your internet connection is stable. A flaky or slow connection can interrupt the communication between Discord and the Midjourney bot. Try loading a few websites or streaming a short clip to confirm things feel smooth and responsive. If pages hang or content buffers a lot, give your connection a moment to stabilize before trying Midjourney again. Consistent connectivity makes a big difference in whether commands are accepted and processed correctly. After that, ensure your Midjourney subscription is active and in good standing. Sign into your Midjourney account and confirm your plan is current and there are no billing issues. If a payment didn't go through or your subscription lapsed, the bot may refuse to process commands. Once everything looks good on your account page, head back to Discord. Finally, try your commands slowly and carefully. Use the / command picker in Discord, like typing the / and selecting the Midjourney command to avoid typos. Enter one prompt at a time and wait for a response before sending another. Spamming multiple prompts can overwhelm the bot or trigger rate limits, which often leads to the same error. If you still see the message, pause for a moment, then resend your prompt once. Keeping things deliberate gives the bot time to acknowledge and process your request. Follow these steps in order and you'll typically see that error disappear. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to creating without interruptions.